All right, y'all, ready? Snap, crackle, motherfucking pop. God damn. And I'm gonna assume that the block is bad. Fuck! Damn it! Oh, that is fucked.
Yeah.
Well, that motor's junk. My heads will end up being for sale here. I'm gonna have them freshened up and new valves put in them. But yeah, there you go. You get an up close personal look at that snap. Hopefully I don't drop my phone in there. Fucking dang. I put a screw on it just to fucking pull